Okay, so what do we need to do? Well, since we're getting 25% off, we need to figure out what is 25% of 22. So we're going to do 22 times 0.25. And if we want to make it look like money, we would put 2 decimal places. So what is this? This is the discount. This is how much we're getting subtracted. Does it ask me for the discount? No, it asks me for the sale price. So if I'm getting $5.50 off, then I'm going to do 22 minus $5.50. When I subtract that, I'm going to get $16.50. So the sale price of the DVD is $16.50. 42 times 0.15, okay?
And I got 6.3. And then I did 42 minus 6.3, and I got, oh wait, that's supposed to be $3.54 and 57 cents. Or dollars, my bad. Wait, okay, yeah, that's what I got.
And what'd you get?
I got $3.57.
You had it right.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to change it. Okay, never mind.
You added 0 at the end.
42 minus 6.30 is 35.7, which we'd want to put a 0 at the end so it becomes cents in 2 decimal places. So 35.70, $35.70. So a boogie a boogie board that has a regular price of $69 is on sale at a 35% discount. What is the sale price with a 7% tax? So now we have 2 things going on. We're getting a discount and we're having to pay tax. Both. So the discount is going to get subtracted, but the tax is going to get added. So what we do is we take the discount first, and then we find the tax on the new price. So just like this. So we want to know 35% of 69. So we would do 69 times 0.35. 24.15. So that is my discount. So now I would do 69 minus 24.15. Which gives me $44.85. So that is how much I would have to pay for it if I didn't have to pay any tax. But now I'm having to pay 7% tax. So I'm going to multiply this number, $44.85, which is the discounted price, by 7%. So 7% is 0.07. So that gives me, and then we rounded 2 decimal places, 3.14. So I'm having to pay $3.14 in tax. So I would add that, 3.14 plus 44.85, which is my discounted price.
47 and 96.
I got $47.99. Yeah.
And then 3.87.
Okay.
And then
Is it 3.87 or 3.875? Okay. And so we need to round. So if I've got 3.875, then the 5 would tell the 7 to round up. So it should be 388 instead of 387. Okay. Now what's this number? What's that represent? 388.
I mean, how much discount?
How much discount you get? So what I need to do with that then?
Subtract that.
So that'd be the next thing you need to do. Okay, when you did that, you got
11.52.
okay.
And that's your discount.
That's the price with the discount. But now then we want to know the sale price after we put tax on it. So what I need to do now?
11.62
Uh-huh.
times 6.5 or 0.6.
Okay, it's going to be 0.065. Make sure you get that second zero because we got to move it 2 places left. So you got to have a placeholder 0 there.
And then 0.755.
2.755. So I haven't done the math. Is that what you get that? Okay. And then when I round that, the 5 is going to tell the 5 to go up. Okay, so that's my tax number. So what do I need to do with that?
Add it to 11.62.
Mm-hmm. And we get 1238.
I took 210 and divided by 100.
Okay, and then what'd you do?
And then got 2.1. And I multiplied that times 25. And got 52.5.
You got what?
52.5.
Are you just trying to confuse everybody?
No, I do it. I just do it different.
Okay.
And then I took 210 and subtracted 52.5 and got 157.50.
That is correct. $157.50. So what he does different, he divides by 100 when I teach y'all to move the decimal 2 places. Okay, that's the same thing.
You're so cool.
Any questions on 1? Pick a number 1 through 6. It's 1. Pick a number 1 through 3. It's 2.
I did 40 times 0.33 and I got 13.2. Then I did 40 minus 13.2 and I got 26.8.
And then to make that look more like money, let's put a 0 at the end there. Okay? So it's $26.80. 26.8 is the same thing. We just like to have that second decimal place. Any questions on 2? Everybody good with that? Pick a number 1 through 6. Pick a number 1 through 6. It's 6.
Number 3.
Yep.
So I multiply 1,575 by 0.15.
Guys, I shouldn't be talking over there. Yes, that's correct. And what did you get? Write it down on the paper next time so it looks neater, right? That way you can keep up with it.
Big fact.
Should get 23.625, which rounds to be 23.63, because we want to go to 2 decimal places. So 23.63 is the discount. So now what do we do?
Oh, I forgot. Oh, I didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Okay. What we should do next, 15.75 was the original price. We should subtract the discount, 23.63. When we subtract that, we should get a value of $1,551.38. Oh, I messed up. Hold on. I knew that those numbers were way off. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I multiplied by 0.015. See, I told y'all to be careful? Why didn't somebody tell me that I messed up? I should have got 236.25 as the discount, not 23.625. That's my fault. So now 236.25 should be subtracted. 1575 minus 236.25. That should give me a value of $1,338.75.
That's what I did.
Okay, that's my fault. I messed you up. So then what do we do from here?
I multiplied that number.
Yep.
By 0.0425.
Yes. Multiply by 0.0425. Remember, make that percentage into a decimal. And when we multiply that, do you know what you got there when you multiplied?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
56.89. And there was some other form.
Uh-huh. So the next number after it is a 6. So you have to be careful here. The 6 tells the 9 to round up. So the 9 becomes a 0, and the 8's going to become a 9. So that should be $56.90. And that's how much we're having to pay in tax. So then what do we do?
Then you add it.
Correct. So you take the subtotal, 1338.75, and we're going to add 56.90. And that should give you 1395.65. Any questions there? Very good. Very good, very good. Anybody? Did everybody get there? Did you make 1 or 2 mistakes along the way? Maybe?
I put 7 instead of the 6 because I thought I knew.
I get you. Okay, and then we got one more. I'm going to go over it because I'm afraid we're not going to have time if I don't. So let me just do it. So I've got 119.50. I'm going to multiply that by 20%. So I make that 0.20. Guys, y'all shouldn't be putting your stuff up. You should be watching. You should have already done this. You should be checking your work with mine. 119.50 times 0.2. I got $23.90, so that's my discount. So I subtract that from 119.50. So I'm going 119.50 minus 23.90. And when I subtract those, I get $95.60. So that's my new subtotal. Now, this is being taxed at 7%, so I'm going 95.60 times 0.07. When I multiply that, I got 6.692. This time the 2 tells the 9 to stay the same. So my tax is $6.69. So I'm gonna add that. $95.60. And we got $102.29.